Yay, I'm so excited to share another baby food recipe with you. So this is great for any kid between the ages of 6 and 12 months, beyond, honestly, depending on how long they like to have pureed foods. So what you need to gather for today is either, this is a baby Brezza baby food maker. You could have a regular baby food maker, or you could just use a blender. I'm using blueberries today, a full fat triple cream strained yogurt in plain. This is from Siggy's, who we love. And then our berry Bliss powder. And then I have some dried figs. You could use banana. You could use any fresh fruit that you love that you'd like to add to sweeten it. I'm gonna get started first with the yogurt. So this is triple cream, super good healthy fats, and it has 19 grams of protein in just 8 ounces. So this is great for kids, for adults. It's really important to get good healthy fats, and especially for babies so they can grow, right? This is like the most intense time for growing. Through the first year, they will, think about how small they were when you first brought them home, and now you're serving them food and they're crawling around. Like, the amount of development, they need that support with good healthy fats for their brain and their bodies. Top off. It's so much fun to get creative with food recipes. Again, you could swap this out. Maybe you're vegan, you could do a really nice vegan coconut yogurt or Kite Hills almond milk base. I love those yogurts. We're personally not, we don't fit ourselves into any box, and I think there's beautiful nutrients to all different types of ways of eating. Blend this up. And then add the berry Bliss. Add a 1/4 teaspoon is great to start with. You can always build your way up. Berry Bliss is incredible because it's high in antioxidants, really high in vitamin C. Babies don't have a strong immune system to start with. They have to create and build their immune system. They get, if you're breastfeeding, they build their immune system that way. They respond to the world and build their immune system that way. Building them up with really great antioxidants and vitamin C rich fruits is key so that they can really build that immune system. This yogurt has really great probiotics in it. It has live active cultures in it, the Siggy's brand, so I love it. It has a bunch of different cultures, not just acidophilus. So yeah, just make sure that you are feeding your baby and fueling your baby with these first few foods that will really fuel them and build their immune system and give them strong, beautiful bodies. So just a little bit, a 1/4 teaspoon if you're measuring. You want some? Here, let's try it. Wow. Oh, that's yummy. That's yummy. Do you want more? That's good. She loves it. Yay. She loves it. She loves it. So I obviously have my hands full right now, but options are blend it up, put it in little small containers and freeze it, or put it in the fridge, put it in a mason jar and then distribute it that way, or grab little reusable packets and then give them their own little pouches. So lots of options. Again, you could double, triple this, keep it going for a while. It's so good. You could also freeze these into little cubes and use it as a base for smoothies for her, like summertime or him. Do you love it? Yeah? Yay! Yay! Okay, bye guys. Enjoy.